Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to protect your app by using Auth in your Tanstack Starter app. Okay, so say you want to protect a route with the Auth logic, then how will you do it? So we will learn that today. So we will use the UseAppSession that is built in Tanstack. We don't need to use external libraries for authentication like Superbase or anything clerk authentication. You don't need to do that. You can use the UseAppSession provided by Tanstack. So let's see how it goes. So the first thing, ignore these folders. You can see you will have the route. You will always have the route, the root, and index. You won't be having this. So the first thing you will notice is inside the routes I have an extra folder called _auth, which has some routes inside it. So every route inside this is protected by the auth logic. So say you wanna go to /products, you won't get to this if you are not authenticated. So it's just easier because the other way is we will do auth check on every route, because we will write logic on like every loader, like get session, so that would be like too much verbose. We don't do that. So the first thing is, in your utils folder, create session.ts, which will get session from the cookies. Okay, it will get session from cookies from local storage. There are certain parameters like the session secret, which will just set it in your .env. Some long character, doesn't have to be short. Okay, and the max age after which your cookie will expire, set that. No, it's nothing special in this code. The only special thing is inside your root, the first thing we will do is get the session. If it is present, we will let the user get to the route. If it's not, anytime user tries to access authenticated route, we will redirect him to the login page. Okay, so what we will do is, before the page is loaded, we will run a server function which gets the session data, and if it is present, so it returns either email like the session data or null. So if it's present, we let him cook. Alright, so you can see it uses UseAppSession to return the session. So now we have the session data, and we can so now if you want to use the session data anywhere, all you have to do is like use the hook use loader data to get the session. So say I want to go to the products, say products. So the first thing is we will so first thing is, before load, we will get the session, and so to get to this folder, and if user is not present, we will throw into the login. So it was really that simple. Nothing special on this. But I will have to also show you the login logics, right? So to log in, we get the data from the form that the user will see, and so we get the user data like email and password, from the form, and then once we have that data, we will update the session. session.update and what you want to update with, and this is how you update the session. Okay, and that's how you update the session. It is really that simple. So the only thing is that is important here is the session.ts and all of this ones. Yeah, just these two were important. So yeah, I hope you guys got to know. If you're still confused, you can always look at the docs. Go to the scroll down to the authentication, and you can see here they have the same logic kind of. Yeah, they have the same logic. It's the same session storage thing, and you can also wrap inside a auth context and use it like in any use. Doesn't matter. Yes, this like yeah. This is the same as this me. Yeah, same. And they have like ton of examples here, like you know. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.